Welcome to Community Chrysler, home of the 2013 Motor Trend Truck of the Year. It is the Ram 1500. Today we're taking a look at the Sport Edition. It's the crew cab, short bed, four-wheel drive. You can see they're equipped with the 20-inch wheels. Around back you've got the dual exhaust. Got the Reese hitch, the 4-way and 7-way wiring plug. It has the legendary Hemi 5.7 liter with the MDS in it that will actually shut it down to 4 cylinders. Take a look there at the front headlights of it. Has that real mean look, blacked out in the background. Also equipped with fog lights. Still the legendary big front grille. In your face, people love seeing those in the rear view mirror. Also has the cowl induction hood. Open up the back door, take a look there. It is a crew cab. Plenty of space here in the back seat. Also have a little extra storage room there underneath the seat. Also equipped with coolers on both sides of the back seat. Go ahead and jump here in the front seat. You can see it's equipped with power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Also has the auto setting for your headlights, fog lights, adjustable pedals. Has the audio controls on the back side of the steering wheel. Does have the power seat on the driver's side. Black leather interior that is heated and cooled. The back seat is also heated. Go ahead and take a look here at the center console, that real mean look. Take a look over here. You can see down here in the low center, it is equipped with an 8.4-inch AM/FM satellite radio, Uconnect hands-free phone device, navigation. Folks, you can do anything imaginable on this thing. You can hook your iPhone, iPad, any type of phone, play music directly off of it. Also download music, pictures, anything of that sort's down to it. You see it is equipped, it's an automatic, paired with a 6-speed transmission. Also, it is 4-wheel drive. Take a look here at the center console. You got the top section of the center console, kind of small, and then you've also got the bottom section there that is huge. All kinds of room there. See here on the steering wheel, you've got your Uconnect features. Also have your cruise control. Folks, you won't be disappointed with these trucks. Come down, take a look at them here at Community Chrysler, home of the 2013 Ram 1500. It's the Motor Trend Truck of the Year. Come down, take a look at it. Community Chrysler, 555 State Road 37 South in Martinsville, Indiana, or give us a call, 765-342-5000. Thanks and have a great day.